Here's a quick check to see if you have cooked genetics. The first check is to see if you have wide or narrow clavicles. Look at the inner part of your shoulders, and if they're broad, you have wide clavicles, which are better. Second check is to look at your lats. Do they insert low or do they insert high? The lower your lats insert, the better lat insertions you have. Next is your chest genetics. Do they insert in the center of your chest or do they kind of flatten out here and you have a really weird gap of bones in the middle? The shorter the gap between your two pecs, the more aesthetic your chest is. Next, check are your biceps. Make a 90-degree flex, then put your fingers in to see how many fingers you can fit. For me, that's about 2. The less amount of fingers you can fit, the longer your bicep genetics are, which make your arms look more full. Next check is your vascularity. Of course, this comes down to body fat, but how your veins insert are all determined by genetics. Next check are your abs. Are they uneven or are they symmetrical? Your genetics play a role in how they insert. I prefer more symmetrical abs. And your final check is your waist. You can, of course, shrink it by being in a calorie deficit or training your shoulders to make yourself look broader. But if you have a naturally blocky waist, you can't really change that.